afternoon, everyone. Myself Harish Kumar. Sir, can I proceed, Siddharth sir?
Yeah, proceed, Harish.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Harish Kumar. I'm 2011 to 15 passed out batch. I'm from 2015. I will passed out from CM1 Technical Campus. Uh, I'm currently working at site engineer at Mamata Constructions, a private contractor in Mission Bhagirath works. Uh, in the college, coming to the department, our department is a very extraordinary lab facilities and extraordinary lab facilities as well as the best teaching faculty among the all engineering colleges from the Hyderabad. Coming to our classes, on that time in 2011 to 15, there is no such labs in. Initially, there is no such labs in our college. After our HOD sir, due to the HOD sir implementation and the management, both are install many labs in our colleges. In surrounding colleges also coming to test our concrete labs and utilizing our concrete labs and GT labs and engineering geology labs on the time. So is the first college, I think this is a great national accreditation and NBA and all things are recently autonomous. Yeah, it is very appreciated to our college and we are also very proud of our college. Coming to our department, especially our faculty members are seems like a very like a family member. Everywhere we each and every small doubt we can uh, chat with our teachers, faculty members. They are easily solve every problems in our college. Coming to our labs, many people are coming in for the first year student. My suggestion is on the time first year students are think that coming from the residential colleges and different colleges. They are think that our engineering like Happy Days movie or all are things. But coming to first year, in the time is very management time. Time management is very important because of lack of attendance and lack of uh, bunking classes. Due to we lost the we lost the marks of internals. The internal marks are basis of, for all 3 years. Coming to the next 3 to 4 years, so everyone must should attend the R classes without option. They are very useful for next second year, third year coming to the department. It is also useful. So we have to attend the R classes in that first year itself only. So the second and third year on the department we have the many labs, so you can utilize the every faculty and every each lab very useful for the our future. Some people in the coming to mini and main projects. Mini projects and main projects on that time initially we are doing somewhere like after we are purchasing from the other institutions. There is no usage. So in the with the help of our HOD and our faculty members, right now last every time I will be coming to the association, alumni association. That time I check the department. So sir is doing excellent job in the department. He's almost he is doing lot of concrete related projects with college itself only. So it will be useful for while we are doing the outside of field. So we are learning lot of things from the college itself only. Next, major projects, mini project must be in doing the college itself only because you have to get the excellent knowledge from their self only. Next, our alumni and TPO sir. TPO sir is one of the best TPO from the among the all engineering colleges in the Hyderabad because he is inviting. I think he is inviting the best industries and companies to our training and placement self. And that time there is no that much of civil related companies on that time in the 2011 to 15 time. After that, he is inviting many companies, and I'll check the recently placement and training brochure from our colleges. Everyone is getting the good packages and good knowledge from the colleges. Um, next, for the everyone in the first year, people are think that sorry. And presently, I'm also one of the alumni association body executive member from the CMR Technical and Civil Department. Uh, in that, we have conducted many alumni associations from the as a body member in last since 2009 onwards. Every year, college doing the best alumni meets in the college itself, only our auditorium. And in the while on the time of and the time of the graduation, and the time of 2013, I think 2014, we are doing the two national conferences in college itself only, and the Department of Civil Engineering, and Secretary of Sunandana Reddy sir, and Vijay Bhaskar Reddy sir, and our remaining faculty also help to inviting the many people in conducting the national conference successfully. And I'm very thankful to, and the time as a student organizing secretary, I'm working at the conferences. I hope doing the very well for conducting national conferences in civil engineering department, and as well as our CMR Technical campuses. For international conference also doing very well. I recently attended for one national conference in our civil engineering CMR Technical campus only. That was a very excellent section. The, that is
How the
for,
how the association helps you help you.
yeah,
So
actually, first time, actually, I'm also coming from the Telugu medium background student, so I don't know the English, how to speak in English, and I'm very fear of when the stand the stage. And that time, our English teacher faculties, especially Elvina Gladys and Sunita Rao ma'am, they are very helpful to me, the student. And yeah, coming after the department, when I entered, the HOD sir and remaining faculty are made association body members. I am also one of the association body member at that time. So in that time, we are going with the association team. We are going many places during the time for construction field with Ultratech cement, and some pre-employment training also conducted by our department. And uh, people are saying that the STAD and CAD are just with the engineer, just a design purpose, but they are very useful for our future, especially for civil engineers, because the CAD and STAD are very just a software thing that they are like a drawing structures from the drawing table, but in CAD and STAD, uh, we can draw any the structures from depend upon the structural analysis methods. And our faculty, our HODs are also belongs to structural analysis, so everyone utilize that opportunity to knowing uh, some tips from the designing purpose from our HOD sir, and we both are doing lot of research and for our main project. Almost we started almost 1,000 research papers, more than 1,000 research papers. Sir host all our research papers only. When I enter in Kukatpalli, sir is home there. Almost 2,000 to 3,000 research paper is always available at that desk, and IS codal provisionals also almost civil related, almost 500 to 1,000 IS codal provisions are related to civil engineer. That much of gallery has our HOD sir. So anyone need any IS codal provision, just go and ask our HOD sir. He is definitely help to improving our knowledge and skills. I personally thankful to our HOD sir because when I joining the department after second year, third year, even I am fear about standing in front of the faculty and talking and standing in the classroom also. So sir is inviting for conferences. Sir is encouraging to participation in conferences. So at that time, little bit losing my fear to crack anything little on that TPO mother sir also told to me participate every uh, interview, placement interview, you get the knowledge, you get the experience. If you fail, you go and take the interview first. So at that time I'll take a sir told me I'll go for only correlated. I don't want to go to non-civil engineering companies. So on that time, I lost the many placement related companies also. So I lost some experiences where I don't know how to speak with HR. So everyone don't think that you have to don't think that our third year and fourth year student please go for attend the placements interviews. If you get the job, okay. Otherwise, you get the experiences from them. So if you lose one job, you get the experience from the how to crack next level, how to crack the next level. So it is very helpful to all. So everyone need to attend the every placement training from the CMR campus itself only. So when I come to the outside, there is a off campus there. It is very difficult to crack a job. So campus provide I think the best companies in the in the Hyderabad, not only Hyderabad, in India, the best companies are coming to our campus dev. So everyone need to attend the placements. Otherwise, we will have some experience from there only. So my sincere suggestion is to participate the every placement. If you get the job, is a good. Otherwise, don't think that I am the failure. I am also one of the best failure from myself, my experiences. So I'm waste of time thinking government jobs and all other things. Even I completed my post graduation also, but thinking about the civil engineer means it is a government job, it is a private job. Nothing is nothing from the uh, nothing from the government or private job. You have to make assure that you have to first initially to join the job from the related civil engineer. If you want to a civil engineer, definitely join. Otherwise, you have to you want a amount from the you want a salary, you can go anywhere. But as a civil engineer, you have the some courage to do that. Some mindset people are think that I am a civil engineer, so I have to join in civil related companies only. So they only wait until to get the job. Uh, next. Uh,
Now, what is your experience, Harish, in the site? How you are facing problems if there is no knowledge?
yes, sir.
Gap. Is there any gap between academics and industry? Little bit
Yes,
gap
sir.
is there. So, did you face any problem?
Sir. Actually, I did not get that much of problems from
Yes,
the
because
site because of we done concrete projects is college itself only.
yes,
So we know the how to mixing the
mm,
mixing design. Even I know the mixed design with our
mm,
HOD sir only. So we done some mixed designs with variation of water cement ratios. So we in the coming to the site when we doing the project in college itself only. We get the easy knowledge when we not get the fear while working in the site. So we know the everything. What is aggregate? What is the coarse aggregate? What is the fine aggregate? What is the cement? How to mix the cement? How to mix the water cement ratio? We know the everything from the basics from it college itself only. Otherwise, you get the face the problem where work in the site because the masonry is the best civil engineer from among the all. So he knows everywhere everything. But he is waiting until our decision. So we know the every basic civil engineer things like what is the inch value, what is the specific gravity values, what is the density values. Everyone civil engineer must be know the some basic knowledge related to the our construction field. What is main things is coarse aggregate, fine aggregate, size of the fine aggregate, size of the coarse aggregate, CV analysis. What is the C? What is the C sizes? What is the liquid limit? What is the plastic limit? What is the cement? What is the concrete? People until till now don't know the what is the some people don't know the survey principles. What is the survey principle? Till now interview question in the interview some interview some interviewers ask what is the principle of survey. People know till now people in the first year itself only just everyone thinking some people are thinking for exam point of view what is the principle of survey, that is enough for first year. Coming to the final year, the interviewer asked the same question for the interview only. First question I think what is the principle of survey only. So everyone need to get the some basic knowledge from the our civil engineer related construction related um, related products like or all things related to our construction.
Okay.
Sir.
Anything more, Harish? Anything?
Yes,
Anything to discuss?
wait.
Okay. Shall I take now?
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay, sir.
Siddhartha?
Okay, sir.
I will conclude just in 2 minutes. Okay, na?
Okay,
Enough?
sir. Okay.
Okay. Once again, I am very thankful to our the best student and the most important student in that batch, Lekkala Harish Kumar. Really, what maximum he worked in the college and he helped to all the department itself. Because this is the right time. This is the right time. I want to appreciate him. Actually, he total in the concrete lab. He has done. He has done everything in the laboratory, and he learned everything. How to documentations, how to print the papers, how to write the papers. He is with me maximum 2.5 years with me. Not only Harish, maximum students are with me in even at JNTU, even in my room also, my home room also. Because as a faculty, I am not feeling as head of the department. First, basically, I am a faculty and I am a teacher. So we have discussed a lot of things. Actually, I have given some suggestions to Harish, but he missed that session. That is the reason he lost his 2 years in the beginning. Because to be frank, why I am telling all these things. So my dear student, the first important one is you joined in engineering. That is over. Willingly or unwillingly, that is the immaterial now. So 4 years is if 4 years you spend in the college, or maybe 2 years, that should not be waste. That is the most important. See, nowadays, so you are having good college, good faculty, good laboratories, perfect established laboratories are there in some colleges. Very good faculty is available, but number of students are wasting their time with their mobile phones. That is the most worst thing in the society, even in the all students community. That is important. See, even when I was in diploma, I don't have faculty. When I was in engineering, I don't have faculty because that is AMI. Then in MTech also, I don't have faculty. I don't have Zoom, I don't have NPTEL, I don't have all these online classes, only the textbook. Remember, dear students, the textbook is the best. You don't know the textbook also. No one knows the textbook. Everybody knows either all-in-one or faculty notes, lecture notes. So remember, better to purchase one textbook for each subject to refer the textbooks. Textbook is the most important. So you are totally in 8 hours, 10 hours, you are wasting your time. 10 hours. Simply sitting, simply writing examinations. You are so, now it is your bad luck. Without conducting examination, the management, the government, maybe whatever this is a natural calamity, you are pass. You are pass. But remember, without knowledge, the certificate is In Telugu, I want to tell you, knowledge lekunda మీరు సర్టిఫికెట్ తీసుకున్నారంటే అది మీకు ఉరితో సమానమే. Hanging, remember it is a hanging, as per my knowledge. I don't like the certificate without at least 10% knowledge. But you are taking certificate without even somebody don't know what is square inch and square feet also. Remember, dear students, you crossed around 18 years. If you are in the final year, maybe 18 years, maybe 20 years. So this is the right time. You should work hard. And somebody don't have very poor. Somebody may be poor. Go and do something. Do something in the sites. Do something at the site. You don't expect the money. First, remember, as a civil engineer, we should not expect the salaries, amounts, anything. First, you should work. So now there is no change in that pattern. Remember, in the civil engineering, since last 20 years is the same pattern, 20, 30 years also same pattern. Now also same pattern. If you want to learn something, you should work for free. Then you should learn. You should learn and you should watch what they are doing, your seniors. Then you should learn yourself. Nobody will tell you the secrets of mixed design also. Mixed design also. So you should learn in the laboratory, in the college itself. Then you can go and you can apply at the field. So that is the reason my suggestion is, this is the evergreen suggestion. There is no changes in the suggestions. You should read the textbooks first. Now the time is over 4 years. So while coming in the college, when you are doing your BTech graduation, if you did not refer the textbooks, where is the time to refer in the next time? Where is the time? Nobody knows the codes. Minimum hundreds of codes are available. At least I know more than 50 codes. At least 4 codes are available in the civil engineering final year students. They don't know what is code. What you want to do afterwards? That is my question. What you want to do after the BTech? After the BTech. See, remember, if you are BA or BCom, it is better. You can get some job. So being that certificate, so and so name with the BTech at side, right side, there is a lot of dangerous, lot of problems. You should come down. But you are thinking you are a civil engineer. No, remember, you will not become a civil engineer unless you will get a knowledge, unless you will get some job. Then only you will become a civil engineer. All are not become a civil engineer. Certificate is totally different. Nowadays, certificate can create, can produce. Now everybody knows, all our students also. We can create the certificate, we can give the certificate with different signatures. But knowledge comes only from the textbook or from the best teacher. That's all. Now this is my final. Remember, those who are in third year and final year, those who passed out. See our Kiran. Today he is the first batch. First batch. I can say boldly, he don't know how to write some things also. Now he is earning a lot of things. See, for that knowledge is not required. Remember, all dear students, remember one thing: you should humble yourselves. Where you are working, you should be humble. You should work humbly, and then you should learn something, and then you should increase your qualification. Remember, according to your age also. Finally, I'll give one suggestion. Certificate or qualification or certificate, both are same. Both certificate and knowledge, both should go parallelly. If you get more certificate without knowledge, is waste. If you have good knowledge without certificate, 50% waste. Because at least knowledge can save you, but certificate cannot save you. Remember, once you enter into any field, first they will give a job. Do this job, do that assistant, do Excel sheet, do that sheet, do this AutoCAD, don't do. So everybody, you are thinking laptop is available, you can practice yourself. You are wasting your life. Remember, our lifespan is maximum 60. If it is more than 70, you are wasted 20 years, almost waste. I know very well, because your intermediate is, I don't know how your intermediate, where you learn, that's totally zero, because you got a 1 lakh rank. Again, you joined with money. That is waste. Again, in BTech final year, you are in the final year. So that is the reason. After final year, even in the third year, you are in the second year. Nowadays, everything is available in the net. If you use perfectly in it, you will be blessed. Otherwise, it is the most dangerous to your life, because you are alone. Sometimes all our students are alone in the room, so and so place. Take care about your mind. Take care about your thoughts. Thoughts should not go that from this side. Should be concentrate on your subject and any other subjects. Read the books. Read the don't see. See, reading and listening is most important when compared to talking and seeing. చూడడం మంచిది కాదు, వినడం మంచిది కాదు. చదవడం చాలా మంచిది, వినడం చాలా మంచిది. నా లైఫ్లో నేను ఎప్పుడు ఎవరితో మాట్లాడలేదు, చూడలేదు. చెప్తే వినడము, చదవడం తప్ప నాకు తెలియదు. ఓకే, షల్ ఐ క్లోజ్ సిద్ధార్థ?
Yes,
ఓకే
sir.
హరీష్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for this opportunity.
Siddhartha, you can take off.
We are very sorry for the technical issue from the speaker side. I thank Mr. Harish for accepting our request within short period of time, and I thank all the participants for spending your valuable time with us. Thank you.
Right. Thank you once again, all of you. Right. Thank you.